there is fear.
Russia has become the first country to give regular.
There is isolation.
Dua warga Indonesia yang positif terinfeksi virus corona.
There is sickness.
Died from coronavirus in Italy has now overtaken the figure.
China reported no new local cases overnight for
even
the second
death.
straight day.
But don't you realize that the pandemic makes us stronger? Don't you realize that for centuries, humankind always wins the battle against illness? And don't you realize that nature, with her magnificence, keeps showing us his majestic scenery nothing can beat? Nature is always there for us to rejoice. We just need to stay strong and wait for the right moment to explore. To breathe freely again. To hear the birds singing, to release all the burden and fear. Those long reflections take us to the fact that we have got to look at the reality in a new way for the better purpose. Socializing is not the same way now, but the nature is. She is still there for us to delight and to be grateful for. So yes, there is fear, but don't let it lead us to hate. Yes, there is isolation, but don't let it trap us in loneliness. Yes, there is sickness, but don't let it sicken our soul. Yes, there is even death, but there can be the rebirth of love. It's just a matter of time. Stay strong.